say, Pops, what the fuck is a daddy? But shout out to Ebony, mama, she had me. I'm sorry I couldn't with school, I did badly, but promise you I'ma have meals for the family. And grandma, I'm sorry, familiar stat. I'ma get a time back that I missed with this action. And I would be lying if I say I'm just rapping. I see that boy now, I'm just instantly clapping. It all fell apart in the blink of an eye. I ain't trusting the bitch cause I know she gon' lie. But my trust in the blick cause I know.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Kasai World, and today's video we're going to be putting on my back diffuser. It's like a E550 type of diffuser or whatever, AMG diffuser, because you know I just got like a regular smuggler, not even diffuser, it's got a regular John. Oh, and it has like little quad tips with it or whatever. So we're going to go to this guy my dad knows. He said he's supposed to put it on or something. I don't know. We're gonna see how much he's charging and if he could do it today. Hopefully he can, cause me and my dad, my little brother, child put it on. We got everything off, and when we got the back part off, we seen it was wiring that was connected to like my trunk and stuff, and we didn't want to mess with it. So yeah, didn't want to mess up anything. Probably was something to deal with my automatic trunk and stuff, so probably could have did it, but didn't want to touch it. So just get somebody that know what they're doing to do it. So about to go ahead, head there, see what he's talking about, so I can potentially or possibly get this put on. It's gonna look amazing. So I'm gonna catch y'all boys when I get there and see what's going on.
Alright, so now we gotta take your wire and put that one. But when you get your hard plate, don't you get to keep that foam around your...
Alright, y'all boys, so it's been like 2 days after I done got the diffuser put on, and about like the process and stuff of putting it on, it was a process. I ain't gonna lie, it was a process. Even though I didn't put it on myself, and he took it to somebody. Well, he had me take it to somebody that he knew that could put it on for cheap. And he put it on. I'm not gonna lie, he worked his way around it. It was real funny. I wish I recorded when he was putting it on, cause the dude that put it on, he wasn't the best mechanic. Let's just say that he worked on cars and stuff, but wasn't the best guy to go to, cause it's kind of like a last resort. But he got it on though. He worked around it. He worked his magic or whatever. It's just the fitment, like how the piece came. Like I'll show y'all. Like it's like a spot or two that looks weird. Hold on. Yeah, like it looks good. It looks real good. Fitment is good, nice on this side, whatever. But mind you, I got this off of eBay, so I'm not expecting like the best. I mean, I was expecting to like, it's nothing to be wrong, but it's like this little piece right here, like, cause like it's a little like kind of like a clip or something like that. You gotta push it into to like for it to stay down, whatever. Then there's like screws. Seems like you got like one right here, this little joint right here, like it all goes. And then this side, that's where we had like the main problem putting it back on, cause this wouldn't click all the way back in, as you can see right there or whatever. I forgot to gotta still get this piece. This piece came with this diffuser, but I gotta actually find that now. So yeah, because it matches right with this. But this right here, he had to drill this in because this side would not stay in. Literally wouldn't stay in. Wouldn't clip back in. I don't know if I messed it up when I took it off or what. But yeah, so it looks really good though. Like how it looks, for sure. For sure. It's really good and everything now. I actually think it sounds a tad bit louder or like deeper with these on, with the quad tips on. Cause mind you, we didn't have to like, you don't have to weld these on for like this car, cause it's basically like just a screw. It's kind of like a clip-on exhaust, cause like it's nothing to really like you can connect it to. You feel me? Cause of how the diffuser and all that stuff is built on a car. But yeah, so I like it. It looks really good. Really. Let me get y'all like it. So like, it looks really good, but I'm gonna put some pictures and videos. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. More content coming soon. More content coming soon. Haven't really been filming content, so definitely coming. Hope y'all boys enjoy. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.